Right there is the remote, and first we will take out the key. Behind the remote, notice there is that switch. Press that switch and then pull the key outwards just like that. There we have the remote. I will use a screwdriver like this. Behind the remote, there is that big cover that needs to be taken out. You will see it has two edges, one here and one right there. You can use any edge to pull this cover outwards. What I will do is I will punch in the screwdriver like that. There you see the tab. We actually need to pull this tab outwards. There we got the cover taken out. Right there is the big battery behind that remote. We'll punch in the same screwdriver and then pull the battery outwards. There's that battery right there. We will be needing a CR2450 battery for this. This battery is good, so I will be installing it back, but in case if you want to install a new battery going forward, these will be the steps that you need to follow. We'll grab the battery, make sure the plus sign stays at the top. We'll punch in the battery towards inside first, and once it's completely in, then we will give it a slight push downwards. Make sure you push the battery to a point that the edges are not coming out anymore, and in this case notice the edges are not popping out, which means the battery is completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch in this plastic cover. The bottom part has a tab right there that needs to be slided downwards. We'll punch in the bottom part first and make sure it's completely down, just like that. Once it's completely down, then from the top part we will give this plastic cover a slight push. We'll quickly check if all the edges are in, and it seems like all the edges are inside. Then we will go ahead and install the key. If you're facing the remote buttons towards you, the key portion is actually on top of it. Just like that, we'll punch in the key. There's the key installed, and with that, we are done with the replacement of the battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.